Hello, dear viewers. Today we will inform you about the wonderful topic of growing pears. Growing pears in your backyard. Have you ever dreamed of picking fresh, juicy pears right from your own backyard? Growing pear trees is easier than you think. With the right care, you can enjoy homegrown pears for years to come. Choosing the right pear tree. There are two main types of pears, European and Asian. European pears like Bartlett and Anjou are soft and sweet, while Asian pears are crisp and juicy. Choose a variety that grows well in your climate. Planting your pear tree. Pear trees need full sun and well-drained soil. Plant them in early spring or fall, spacing them at least 15 feet apart. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and set the tree in, making sure the graft union is above the soil. Caring for your tree. Watering. Young trees need regular watering, especially in dry periods. Mature trees require less frequent watering. Fertilizing. Apply balanced fertilizer in early spring to encourage healthy growth. Pruning. Prune your tree in late winter to remove dead branches and shape it for better fruit production. Pollination. Most pear trees need a second variety for cross-pollination. If you have space, plant two different types or check if there are pear trees in your neighborhood. Harvesting pears. Pears are usually picked before they are fully ripe. European pears ripen off the tree, while Asian pears can be eaten right away. Test for ripeness by gently pressing the fruit near the stem. If it gives slightly, it's ready. By following these steps, you'll soon enjoy delicious pears from your own backyard. Happy gardening!